So today I'm going to be changing the gearbox oil out of the Evinrude. Need Imperial Allen keys, something to catch the oil, genuine oil, and a pump. So the oil's been draining for about 10-15 minutes and I've got my oil pump. Just note that there's two sizes here. The yellow guy and the aluminium adapter is slightly smaller thread. Alright, now that's in. I'm going to put the oil. Going to be pumping from the bottom up until oil comes out the top there. There we are, just bang on a litre and we are full. So we have nylon washers here. They look like they're in pretty good nick, so I'm going to reuse them. If they were copper or aluminium, I'd think twice. So we cap the top one first before we take the bottom one off. Now we pop the bottom one off and we're quickly going to put in the bottom plug. There she is. Minimal losses there. Tighten that up. Wipe it all down and you're done.